This short tutorial explains how to access videos on Scientific Animations Without Borders at the Scientific Animations Without Borders, or SAWBO website. I will go through and explain the 5 different videos that are available, how to view them, and then how to access one of the videos near the bottom of the page. So if you look at the right-hand corner on this screen, and I'm just circling this with my cursor, there are 4 videos. The first one is from University of Illinois Foundation. Now I'll click on this, and what will happen is it will go right to the video, and one can watch the video in the screen, or one can actually go to the full screen and view the video in a full screen mode. Also, there's a pause button that will stop the video itself. The pause button can be found here as well, and there's a pause button over the video itself. So on the upper right hand corner, if I click on the X, it will take me out of this video back to the main screen. There are also videos on Scientific Animation Without Borders on Public Broadcasting Service, PBS, and again, the video can be accessed in the exact same way that I mentioned for the University of Illinois Foundation video. There is a pause, one can go to full screen, one can come back into the smaller screen using the same approach. There's also a TEDx talk on Scientific Animations Without Borders. Again, in this, one can pause the video, one can go to full screen, and there's play again. One can now jump out of this video and go back to the main screen. Finally, there's an interview that occurred here at University of Illinois campus that was produced by the University of Illinois that deals with Scientific Animation Without Borders. One, again, can watch this in the site itself, pause it here, play here, pause here, play here, go to full screen, and again, pause. It can be paused or played in the middle of the screen or at the bottom of the screen, and pushing full screen will take us back to the smaller screen. So one can go out of the site again by pushing this little X, or go out of this particular video, going back to the main scrolling page. And the final video was a video that was actually produced by Scientific Animation Without Borders on the project itself, and it's an animation, and you just click on that little button that moves through the screen. Second. Oh, this again is University of Illinois Foundation video. So this one is University of Illinois Foundation video. However, there's another, and this is the one that I just clicked on, and this one was produced by us. It is an animation that explains the history of the project and exactly what we're doing within the context of the program. Again, one can go to the full screen. One can push the escape button on your keypad to take you back into the smaller version that's centered within the context of the site. One can pause this here, continue to play, pause here, continue to play, or in the upper right hand corner, one can get out of the video and go back to the main page, or the main scrolling scenes. Additionally, one can access the video on Scientific Animation Without Borders in the project section. So you just click on Scientific Animation Without Borders, Public Disclosure, and scroll down, and then one can actually push play here and watch the video, and one can go the full screen by clicking, or getting back into the website by pushing escape. The volume can be controlled here. You see this little bar that I'm pushing up and down, so the volume can be controlled. One can go to different quality of screen, standard definition or high definition. One can go backwards or move forward and pause the video itself. So that really brings to a conclusion how to access videos on the SAWBO website that deal with Scientific Animation Without Borders and explain the program itself.